Would you trust a machine with your deepest secrets? Your bank account? Your life? Here's the shocking truth. In today's world, more people are turning to artificial intelligence for answers, advice, and even companionship. Sometimes over their fellow humans. That's not science fiction. That's real life. Right now. Why? Why are we, as a society, putting our faith in lines of code and silicon chips instead of our neighbors, our friends, or even ourselves? Let's break it down. First, let's talk numbers. When asked, nearly 40% of people in recent surveys said they trust AI to make neutral decisions more than they trust human judges. In some industries like finance and healthcare, trust in AI is climbing even higher. Why? Because AI doesn't get tired. AI doesn't judge. AI doesn't hold grudges or play favorites. It's efficient, it's fast, it's supposedly unbiased. But is that the whole story? Pause for a second. Imagine you're in a hospital. There's a diagnosis to be made. Would you trust the seasoned doctor with years of experience and a kind smile? Or would you trust the AI, trained on millions of cases, promising a faster, potentially more accurate answer? For many, that's not an easy choice. AI's appeal is simple. It doesn't make mistakes out of anger, jealousy, or pride. It doesn't forget. It learns, it adapts, and it keeps getting better. That's why we let AI recommend what we watch, what we buy, even who we date. But let's flip the script. Humans aren't perfect, but we have something AI doesn't: empathy, intuition, the ability to read between the lines, to sense what isn't said. We make mistakes, sure, but sometimes those mistakes lead to brilliance, to creativity, to real understanding. Yet, when it comes to trust, we're complicated. We trust humans because we relate to them. But we also know humans can lie, cheat, and betray. When we trust AI, we're trusting the unknown, the unseen, the hope that a machine, untouched by human flaws, can be better than us. But what if the AI is only as good as the data we give it? What if bias, prejudice, and error are just as present, hidden deep in the code? Suddenly, that trust starts to crack. Let's talk about daily life. Every time you unlock your phone with your face, ask Siri a question, or let your car suggest a route, you're putting your trust in AI. Sometimes you don't even realize it. And here's the kicker. Sometimes it feels safer than trusting a stranger. AI doesn't gossip. AI doesn't judge your taste in music, your shopping habits, or your midnight cravings. It just works. Or at least it's supposed to. But the stakes are getting higher. AI is moving beyond convenience. It's in our courts, our hospitals, our schools. It's making decisions that shape lives. And every time we accept its answer, we're placing a little more trust in the machine. So, do people trust AI more than humans? In some ways, yes. In others, not even close. When it comes to facts, calculations, or repetitive tasks, AI wins. Hands down. But for the big stuff, the moral calls, the gut decisions, the moments that define us, most of us still turn to a human face, for now. But here's the twist. Every day, as AI gets smarter, faster, and more human-like, that gap is closing. We're entering a world where AI might know you better than your best friend, where it might predict your needs before you even realize them, where trust in machines could become the new normal. Are we ready for that future? Or are we racing toward it blindly, seduced by the promise of perfection? The choice is ours. Trust is precious. Once given, it's hard to take back. So the next time you ask your phone for advice, or let an algorithm decide what you see, remember, you're not just choosing convenience. You're shaping the future of trust itself. Thanks for watching. If this made you think, hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more bold questioned and surprising answers. Stay curious, stay skeptical, and above all, stay human.